Hey guys, Paul Inventor 3 here. And I just want to say to my subscribers, shout out to you guys. I I have got the best subscribers, man. I swear to God, I am so fortunate to have you guys. Over all these years that I've been doing all these projects, I mean, you guys have been the best, man. I really, really appreciate it. Very good people. My subscribers are made up of really good people, and very helpful and extremely supportive. And yeah, I just want to tell you guys, I really appreciate that. And all these years too, I've barely ever had any trolls. Once in a while, you know. But the thing is, you got to remember about trolls is give up that much energy to them, and that's it. You know. And there's even been times where my subscribers have like jumped onto trolls, and that was heartwarming. It really was, man. Really, I mean. You know, you guys, it's really touching. It really is, man. It really is. And I just want to thank you, thank you, thank you. We're getting close to 10,000 subscribers. And I'm going to keep trying to bring you guys more and more videos here, man. And I'm so glad to hear, too, that on the project I'm working on, you guys, you're willing to go down that rabbit hole with me, even though I can't show you everything right now. And I'm glad about that, man. So anyhow, guys, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would also like to thank John Hutchison, my fellow mad scientist, crazy brother out there. Hey, buddy. Geez, we've known each other how long now? My God, I want to say, like, has it been around 16 years? Hopefully we can get him to leave a comment here. I'm sure he will. Again, never judge a book by its cover, man. If you have any questions about John or anything like that, or doubts or whatever, ask him, ask me. Believe me, he's a very good guy, man. Big heart, very caring, very giving. Shout out to Bob, Assistant Bob, a very good friend of mine. I visit him once every 3-4 weeks at least, try to. He's a very big inspiration. Just everyone, Nikola Tesla, I mean, geez, hi Nikola Tesla. Hi Nikola Tesla. I hope Tesla's happy with my work so far. I'm trying. So anyhow, guys, man, yeah, we'll see. We'll see you again soon. Hey guys, I've also been meaning to put a special thank you out there for towards Rick Friedrich. I'll put a link below the video in the description to his website or one of his videos. I don't know the whole story between him and John Bendini. I don't know if I want to know. But the thing is, he seems like a good guy, and he's put that video out there of his big giant coils in his project, and he put the videos out there of Don Smith that lit all the light bulbs in my head, and just put all the pieces together of everything I've ever learned in 18 years all together. And so there's a big shout out and plug to Rick Friedrich. Thank you.